I'm just getting started here, unrolling my crescent roll dough right here onto the bottom of my baking dish, and then you'll just quickly seal in all of those edges just like so. Now here I have some frozen broccoli, and I'm gonna put that right there, all in the center. Oh, that broccoli looks so good. This is gonna be fantastic. Super hearty, look at those vegetables. Now I have a pound of chicken breast. Now you guys, I just sauteed this on the stove. I just cut this up and sauteed the chicken breast on the stove beforehand. If you want to, you can just go ahead and get one of those rotisserie chickens from the grocery store and use that instead. If you're in a pinch, that works fabulous too. On top of that, I have some carrots. I'm just gonna place this right on here. Just this easy little budget-friendly dinner we have going on. I have a little bit of onion, and we'll put that right there on top as well. Oh, we have some hearty vegetables, and this is looking so good. On top of all of that, broccoli cheese soup. Yes, we're gonna just kind of put that all on top. Look at that. That is gonna soak in to all of those vegetables and that chicken, and it is just gonna be like this super like creamy, cheesy gravy. Here, let me get my spatula here and get all of that good stuff out right there. And then on top of all of that, let me see if I can do this one-handed here. Okay, we have a little bit of some chicken broth. Now I'm gonna put that right in there. Just a little bit, I would say about half of a can. And then let's go ahead and give that a stir. We'll just stir together the rest of that creamy soup in there. We don't wanna waste any of that. We want all of these juices for sure in with this. It's almost kind of like a twist on a pot pie. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna do that. We're just gonna kind of put that right over the top. Perfect, look at that. Perfect amount right there. All right, you guys, now we're gonna sandwich that all in with one more layer of crescent roll dough. Yes, we are locking in that soup, that broccoli soup. Oof, the broth, we have the chicken. Oh my gosh, even if some oozes out, I don't even care. It is just gonna be so good. You don't have to get too technical with it, right? Now we're gonna take an egg here, and we'll just crack that right open. I'm gonna add a smidgen of water there and give this a little stir. Now I did debate whether was I gonna do an egg wash or was I gonna do some melted butter. So tell me in the comments, would you be doing an egg wash or melted butter? How do you feel about that? All in all, I decided that I love the glossiness of the egg wash and just how it looks when it bakes, and it's gonna make this top very just crispy and look, you know, just somewhat a little bit more professional. I am a huge fan of the egg wash. So if that's what you're choosing, just go ahead and brush that all on top there, covering all of that dough. Oh, yes, it's gonna look so beautiful. Now, as in my opinion, I would say a pot pie is traditionally topped with sesame seeds. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. If you wanna choose something different, tell me what you choose in the comments, or nothing at all. I don't know. What do you think? I am down to hear all about it. You guys, look at that. Seriously, you have this hearty dinner right in here, locked in with these crescent roll doughs. This is going to be fabulous. I mean, I was gonna say fantastic and fabulous at the same time because I didn't know what word to choose. But anyways, enough of that. We're gonna pop this in the oven. We're gonna let this cook because I can't wait to cut into it and show you guys how super tasty this is. Pop it in at 350. It's gonna take at least 25 minutes, and stick around. It's gonna be great. Oh my goodness, look at that. Let's just take a minute for that. Oh, that looks amazing. I think that this is definitely going to be a winner right here. I love the golden brown. I'm so happy that we did the egg wash on top. I love, look at that. Did you hear that? Listen. Oh, that crispiness from that crescent dough. I see the juiciness from that cheddar soup. Let's lift this out. Let's see what this is all about right here. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. It's steaming, it's delicious. I see the broccoli. Oh, that looks so good. So good. Oh, you think it's gonna be hot? Let's just cut in. You guys, look at that. Look at that creaminess. It is like not watery. It's the perfect consistency. This looks so good. Oh, it's definitely a little bit hot, but oh my God, the crescent dough with that, with the soup and the chicken. Look at that. Wow. Not to mention, this is definitely budget friendly. This could feed a huge family, you guys. Oh my goodness. You have to give this a try, you guys. Let me know. Are you gonna add anything? Are you gonna do anything different? I think it's perfect just the way it is. I would say home run right here. Let me know what you think in the comments, you guys, and we'll see you later. Enjoy. Yum.